This weather's awful! Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? Home at last. I can finally change out of these cold, wet clothes. I know what to do. I'll go for a nice soak in the tub. This'll warm me up. I'll need some hot water. Come on, hurry up. Hang on. What's this? It's a message. Huh? No water? Could this day get any worse? Now what am I gonna do? Ashley? What's going on? I better check on her. Is everything okay? Mom! Don't look at me! Look at your clothes! What happened? It was raining, and there was a puddle, and a car splashed me! Oh, my poor little girl. We need to clean you up. Thanks, Mom. You always know how to make things better. Here you go. Remember to wash your face. That feels so good. Hey! Catch the Ahem. This is so humiliating. Oops.
Is it morning already?
Wakey wakey, ma'am. Sorry about the flowers. Anyway, what would you like to wear?
I don't know. None of them.
Excellent, ma'am. These are nice.
No.
Ooh, it's so sparkly.
No, I don't like them.
Maybe we keep it simple?
Nope.
I need a new job. Just coming, ma'am. Whoa! That's gonna hurt later. These are all the clothes in this house.
No.
Seriously? Hang on. Maybe we can use those VR goggles. I should have thought of this earlier.
I don't want to play games.
Just put it on.
Who turned out the lights?
Hold on.
Ooh, this is fancy.
At last.
I don't like it.
Of course you don't.
Oh, they're cute. How do I look?
Beautiful.
Thanks. You can go now. I need to sleep.
What? Are you kidding me?
I hate that rooster. I'm so tired. I suppose I better get up.
What's that smell?
It's gross. Oh, it's me. What should I wear today?
That's it? That's all I've got? One t-shirt? And it's got a hole in it. I've got to wear something. I suppose it'll have to do. It's so unfair. I wish I had a new wardrobe. What's that? Hey, I forgot about this. Maybe I could use this to find a new outfit. This'll be great! That's cute. Something a little more casual. What's next? Ooh, I suit red. It's a pity I don't have any of these clothes. Just this old t-shirt. You know, this is fun. Wow! Wow, Mom! Look over there! What is it, honey?
Whee! This juice box is good! Oh, it's empty! I need to get another one.
Let's go, Mom! Okay, but let's be quick. It's nice to sit down and relax. This juice box is really empty. I was wanting to try it. Never mind, honey. Maybe I can help. I have some water. Water is boring. Oh, okay. I know. I have some strawberry jam. I can add this to the water. I can't let Annie see. That should do it. Mom? What are you doing?
I want juice.
Oh, I tried.
Life is so cruel.
Wait. I think I know what to do. I can use this juice carton. I'll just cut it in half, then put the water inside. Annie will never know. Meh, it's good enough. Annie, this is for you.
Really? This is great! Thanks, Mom!
No problem, honey.
I love having my own pool! Look at me! I'm swimming! Ew! That was hard work. I should take it easy. It's so warm. I need to cool down.
Here you go, ma'am.
Is this a joke? What is that?
It's water.
Uncle, we have a problem. I want a refreshing drink.
I'm on it.
Nah.
Betty deserves the best, freshest orange juice. Imagine serving her water. Don't worry, Betty. This is ridiculous. Here you go, ma'am.
What took so long? I'm telling Mommy! The service is awful. So this is my home.
Wow, it's huge.
No. Sit down.
Whoa, you got so many toys. And a lot of money.
What do you have?
It's not that impressive.
Is that it?
Yeah, this is my monkey.
Yikes.
Look at all those bags. You're so lucky. They're amazing. Wow.
Yeah, I need a new bag every day.
I want a closer look. I've never seen so many handbags. They're so pretty. Ooh, look at this one.
What are you doing? Excuse me? Give me that. This is really expensive. Look at those grubby fingerprints.
I just have this plastic bag. I never have nice things. Oh, I wonder what's in that box.
Where are you going now?
Look at all this cool stuff!
That's just garbage.
I could use this box. Give me a minute. Look at my new bag!
Ooh! I love it!
Where did you get it?
I need to have it!
Take it.
Oh my gosh, this is the best! It's my new favorite! Thanks so much!
Maybe we could do a trade?
I should have known there was a catch. I suppose it's only fair. But I'm not happy. Here, you can take this.
For real?
It's yours. Anyway, I have this. It's not fitting on the shelf. I've changed my mind. Annie? She was right here.
All right, honey. Now here are all your school supplies. Have a good day at school. Do good work.
I will.
Oh! My bag broke. All my stuff is on the ground. Oh no, honey. Okay, don't worry. I'll fix it. Let's see. There has to be something around here I can use. Time for me to get to work on making this solution. Ta-da! A brand new backpack just for you. Wow! It's so amazing!
Alright, I'm off to school. See you when I get home.
Okay, miss. Which bag would you like for school today? Not that one. It's too boring and out of style. Well, you have this little purple one. Or this one made of gold. Yep. That's the one I want to use today. Excellent choice, Miss Emma. Here you go. I'm sure you'll have a good day. Phew. Glad that's over with. Mom, look! There's gonna be a school party! Oh my! Well, doesn't that sound like fun? But Mom, I'm gonna need something to wear, right? Good idea! I think there's something in here we can use. Let's see what this is. Something blue, it seems. It looks like it's an old shirt. Well, put it on. Okay. Well, at least it fits. That's a start. But it's definitely covered in stuff that needs to go. Hold still. I'll use our trusty vacuum to get all these spider webs. Okay, it's working great. Now turn around so I can get the bag. Just a little bit more and… Ow! Turn it off! Hey, wait a second. I think that actually gives me a good idea. Alright, here's the binder. Let's give it a try. Oh, I see. I'll put the binder on the vacuum hose like this. And now I'll use the suction to arrange her hair. And then the binder can slide right off. Perfect! Those were the easiest pigtails I've ever had to do. Yes! I think I'm ready to go to this party! Thanks so much for all the help, Mom. You're the best. Have fun! Oh, wait! You forgot the invitation! Hi, everyone! I'm here at the party. Huh? Annie has pigtails in her hair? And so does Betty? Even Liam is wearing pigtails? I definitely can't be part of a trend. I set the trends! Hey, you're my stylist, so I need you to fix my hair problem. Okay, I'll meet you at this party. Thank goodness you're here. Everyone is wearing pigtails. Oh, wow, you're right. We can't have that. Don't worry, though. I've got a solution that fixes everything. I'm just gonna separate a section of your hair up here. I'll do a couple more, and then repeat on the other side. Alright, you're already looking beautiful. But I'm not done yet. We need to add some bling. Literally. I'm adding gemstones to your part. Excellent! Looks like it's time for me to officially join the party. No way! Look at Emma! She's stunning! Liam, I'm serious! Look at her right now! Ooh, Emma's party outfit is amazing! I wonder if I could pull off something like that. I've got these candies. I'll just give it a little lick and… Ugh, it fell off. Darn. I guess it's not for me. Where did I put that? Ah! A mouse! What? A mouse? In the house? Oh my gosh! Oh, here's my shirt. Aw, that dumb mouse ruined it. It's got a huge hole chewed in it now. Mom! Honey, are you okay? Did the mouse scare you? No, but it did ruin my favorite red t-shirt. Oh my, that's a very large hole indeed. Huh, but maybe I can actually make something out of nothing. Well, we have a large hole, so that needs to go away. There we go. I just snipped it all off, and it's gone. Now I've got the rest of the shirt to work with. I need to make some more cuts, though. Don't worry, it'll be fine. I'm just gonna snip around the collar and remove that, too. Good. Then I'm going to start cutting down the middle of the shirt. But just on the front side, not the back. I want to fold in these edges up here, and then sew a ruffle. Don't worry, it's really easy to sew. Just gather and bring the thread through. It's done! Just tie it in the front and you've got a cute crop top! Wow, Mom! I'm totally impressed with what you were able to do! I love it, thank you! Oh, one more thing. We don't want you to get chilly. Wait a second. Mom! This shawl has a mouse hole in it too! Those dumb mice! Oh, we really can't get away from them, can we? What's that? It's the mouse! There he goes! What? I totally spilled ice cream on my blouse. Ugh, could this day be any worse? Now I have to change. Let's see. Well, I'm not feeling any of these tops. What else do I have in here that I could wear? Oh, thank goodness! You're in here! That's perfect. I need your help. Oh my goodness! This is an emergency situation! Let's see what I have in here that could work. Oh, what about this printed silk shirt? Oh yes, that'll be nice. Hey, you missed me! Oops. I meant to dress you, not the chair. That's quite alright. I've got something else that'll work too. Oh, forget being a janitor! I look too good for that! Sorry about that. But don't worry, I've still got the sparkles and the glam! How about I just try this one on myself? There we go! No more fancy chairs or janitors. This'll work. Here. I expect this'll cover the cost. Thank you. See you next time! Phew, what a day! I can't believe how bad she was at throwing clothes. But now everything's better. Time to get to class. There we go. This cute balloon decoration is put up. Okay, let me check on the fridge. Let's see. I know I had a special meal set aside. Ah, here it is. Good thing I had it labeled. Now for the candle. Ahem. Happy birthday to you, Annie! Huh? What's that? What's going on? A surprise party just for me? Of course. Happy birthday. Now make a wish. Yay! I can't wait to eat my birthday cabbage! Let me just peel off a leaf here. There. It's very good. Fresh. I'm gonna have another layer right now. Happy birthday, darling. I'm so glad you like your cabbage. Oh, for me? Well, I guess I could have a little bit. Whoa! Look at what's in the center of my head of cabbage! A whole piece of candy! This is the best birthday ever! It's orange flavor, too. Which I know is your favorite. It is! But here, it's even better sharing with you. The last finishing ribbon decoration is done. Let me see. I don't know. Will she like this? Happy birthday, Emma darling. Here's your cake. What? I hate this cake! It's not what I wanted at all! Ooh, no. Can you make this better?
Well, I'll see what I can do, I suppose. Maybe I can just put some of these decorations on it instead. There. It is done. And it is exquisite.
It's definitely different. I wonder if she'll like it. Ooh, a cupcake on my cake! I love it. Ow! My tooth! Mom, why did you do this to me?
Oh my gosh! No, no, no.
There's gotta be something else we can do.
Oh right. She absolutely adores fresh fruit.
Surely there's something you can do with the produce in this bowl?
Yes, of course. I am a pastry chef after all. We often work with fruit. In fact, these cookie cutters will help with the design. I will use them on the fruit slices. They will add something extra. Who wants boring fruits when you can have stars and flowers instead? Now that they are cut out, it's time to decorate the cake. Luckily, there is space enough on the cake for all the fruit slices. And the cake is complete. Voila! What do you think?
Bravo! This is a masterpiece of a cake for sure. Happy birthday, Emma darling. And here's your cake. Oh wow, I love cake and I love fresh fruit. This is so delicious. Well, only the best for my perfect birthday girl. Happy birthday. Phew. I think I'm ready for school to begin. Hey! Those are my pencils! Oh no, it's totally squashed. I can't believe it. How am I going to keep them organized now? Oh, was that what I stepped on? Oopsie. Guess I better get out my own markers and writing utensils. These should be enough to get me through today. Now for my notebooks, folders, and binders. I guess maybe I can try to put them back in here. Oh my gosh, she's so pathetic to watch. I suppose I could help her out some. Hey Annie, here, you can use these for class today. For me? Really? Wow, thank you so much, Emma. You're welcome. Look at these amazing school supplies! I have a great idea! I'll use these rubber bands and stretch them across the binder cover. And now those rubber bands will hold my supplies in place. Look! I can even fit more on the inside cover as well! Wow, it can really hold a lot. And now all of my things are organized and safe. Ooh, nice job, Annie. Thanks, but I couldn't have done it without you. I guess it's time to start class. Thanks again, Emma. We know being a parent is tough, so that's why we've come up with these handy hacks to make life easier. What fun things do your parents do? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.